Welcome. If you want to send data from Xiaomi smartphone to your Huawei P40, for the first you have to enter the Play Store on your Xiaomi and download application named PhoneClone. This application that we are going to use to transfer data, and as you can see I got it on the Xiaomi, so right now I'm going to open it on both smartphones. Click this is the old phone on your Xiaomi and the new phone on your Huawei P40. And right now we have to select the old phone type, and of course Xiaomi, it is the smartphone based on the Android system, so click on the other Android, download the next, and right now we can connect with scanning the QR code, so let's go with it. As you can see, it's really fast. Now we are waiting for the connecting, and we will be able to connect with this button, so let's tap on it. And the connection is successful. And right now, if you want to take everything, you have to click on the select all, and all of the data will be sent to your P40, but there is only example, so right now I'm going to unselect, and I will go for the photos, camera, and I will take this photo and also one of these screenshots, and tap on the OK. And to confirm, click on the transfer button, and it's sending, so in a few seconds it will be done and it's complete. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.